Hey guys, Kathyrenee here and welcome back to my YouTube canal. Today is Thursday, February 11th, 2021. And on today's episode, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a cut crease. I'm gonna go ahead and look down just for you to see the cut crease that I'm talking about. The reason why I did the cut crease was because usually off camera, I'm always like, hey, I'll be back. It takes me a long time. And usually I'm doing it on a mirror on like my vanity here, or like my little close-up mirror that I have here. This time I decided to do something different, and I just want you guys to know how to do it. And on top of that, I just want to apologize in advance if I seem kind of short, kind of quick about it. It's because I'm like really concentrated and really focused, and naturally I shake. So sometimes it's really difficult for me to do certain things. But yeah, enough of me rambling on. But before we watch the show, I want to tell you a really friendly reminder. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And guys, please share this video with your friends and your family. Alright guys, I'm done rambling on. Enjoy the show. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna need a concealer and a brush. The concealer I'm gonna use is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Light Ivory. And the brush that I'm going to be using is from Morphe, the M167 brush. This is something that I'm using. You don't have to use this exact one. Just use something that's really flat, wide, whatever your preference is. This is my preference. Just make sure you use something flat. And usually what I do is with the concealer, I put it in back of my hand so that we can start getting warm and I can start playing with it when I have to dip back in. So I'm gonna dip the brush into the concealer right over here. I usually dip it on two sides just so it can be like nice and wet. And then I'm gonna follow like this lid right over here. You're gonna see. I just wanna make sure you guys can see, and this is like the weirdest angle. And normally I don't really do it like this. I'm doing it like this for the sake of the video, but I want you guys to learn how to do a cut crease. Try to be as steady as possible, and you see that I kind of started like the line up there. I'm just going to be like kind of stamping it along the way, but really lightly, of course. Okay. And the more you stamp and the more that you take the time, you have control over it. Just keep stamping, but keep taking your time. And you can go as high and as low as you want. You see like this little like lid area? What I'm gonna do is just lightly though, I want you to be gentle to your eye. And just keep going. Keep stamping away. Take your time, of course. And if you kind of shake while you're holding an object, try to like get your arms near you. And then like kind of like relax your hand with like your mirror. And always look down. Of course, don't look like that because like you couldn't even see me, but I can't even see where the hell I want to do it. Yes, I can see how I want to do it, but that doesn't benefit me at all. Having my hands against my body, resting my hand with the mirror, and just like in control of this hand, of course. And if I do, I've stepped my pinky like on my face so that we can kind of like guide me and I won't be that shaky. And I'm just going to finish this part here. You can do it however you want. I usually do it like that. And you can do like a nude color, a lighter concealer, whatever's comfortable with you. I'm just choosing nude for today. I usually do like a white. Alright, so I went ahead and did this. I'm gonna go ahead and complete like the eye look and also my face. So stay tuned. I'm cute or whatever. Alright, so thank you for waiting at the end of the video. Why did I just say that?
Why are you the way that you are? Honestly.
Anyways, thank you for staying until the end of the show is what I should have said. I really hope you guys enjoyed like the mini tutorial on how to do the cut crease. Let me know if you guys try it. I would love to know. Alright, so we're going to be ending the show. I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate every one of you that passes by. Shout out to all of my subscribers. You guys are awesome. You guys are the best. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and see you guys on the next episode. Take care.